Illinois is a table closing state, and in our contract in this area, the seller's attorney and the sellers have an obligation to present the title insurance at closing. So the way we go about that is we solicit information from the client as to previous title history, copy of a deed, tax bill, just some point of reference, so we can quickly get the title insurance ordered through a title company, presents a title commitment to us that's distributed to the lender and the other attorney. And the purpose of the title insurance, a lot of people ask, what is title insurance? Well, the title insurance is proof of the condition of title being offered to the buyer at closing and gives assurance to the buyer that the title is merchantable and is acceptable for them to receive. So, for example, the title insurance will show who the seller is. We'll describe the property. We'll show the condition of the taxes. We'll show the amount of the taxes. We'll show all the liens and encumbrances on the title. Seller's mortgage, if there are any tax liens or other kind of judgments or other matters affecting the title, known or unknown to the seller, that would come up on the title commitment. And then the seller's attorney will review that title commitment and will do the clearance work necessary to get the title merchantable. So order payoffs for the mortgages, contact judgment creditors who might have to release liens on the title, order release letters from municipalities or water utilities and sewer utilities, because we have to present proof of payment of those things at closing. So sometimes there's quite a bit of clearance to be done. In condominiums, there's a management letter. There is a disclosure called a 22.1 disclosure where the association's financial status and answers to certain stock questions that are in the statute are very important to have and important for the buyer to know of before the closing. So our participation is mostly review of the contract, preparation of the documents, do the clearance work that's necessary to get to the closing, and then, of course, to attend the closing and explain the documents of transfer. What we do, and what a lot of attorneys are doing now in DuPage County, is to allow the client to come in before the closing, pre-sign the documents, and then I like it because we get a face-to-face with the client before the closing. Any problems that could occur in misinterpretation of what they gave us, or just something that comes up, we can clear right then. It's one less person at the table. It makes the closing much more efficient. And the seller can either come back and get the proceeds from our office, excuse me, or we wire the money to wherever the seller is closing or is moving to.